Notorious child killer Ian Huntley dies following prison assault. Ian Huntley, the former school caretaker whose 2002 murder of two 10-year-old girls became one of the most infamous criminal cases in British history, has died. His death comes more than a week after he was critically injured during an attack by a fellow inmate at a maximum security prison. The 52-year-old had been on life support since February 26, when he was reportedly struck repeatedly over the head with a metal bar in a workshop at HMP Frankland in northeast England. Authorities confirmed that Huntley suffered severe brain trauma and was blinded during the assault. He remained unconscious until he was pronounced dead on Saturday morning. The attack was reportedly carried out by Anthony Russell, 43, a convicted murderer serving a whole life sentence. Witnesses allege that the assailant shouted after the incident, claiming responsibility for the hit. Durham Constabulary has launched a formal investigation, and a file is being prepared for the Crown Prosecution Service to consider new charges. Huntley was serving 2 life sentences for the murders of Holly Wells and Jessica Chapman in the village of Soham, Cambridgeshire. The best friends vanished on August 4, 2002, after leaving a family barbecue to buy candy. Their disappearance sparked a massive 13-day manhunt that transfixed the nation, during which Huntley and his then-girlfriend Maxine Carr frequently appeared in the media to offer false information and alibis. The search ended in tragedy when a group of hikers discovered the girls' remains in a wooded area several miles from the village. Forensic evidence eventually linked Huntley to the crime, including charred fragments of the girls, matching Manchester United shirts found in a bin at the school where he worked. Throughout his 2 decades in custody, Huntley was the target of numerous attacks by other prisoners, including a 2010 incident where his throat was slashed. Despite being held under close protection due to his notoriety, the recent workshop assault proved fatal. The Ministry of Justice issued a brief statement following his death, noting that the Soham murders remain one of the most devastating cases in the country's history, and extending thoughts to the families of the victims.